Hey guys, welcome to the third tutorial of AngularJS. So in the second tutorial, we learned what ng model does and why we write ng app over here. So in this session, we'll be learning about one more directive, that is ng bind. Whatever we write after ng and this hyphen, right? These all are like Angular directives. So okay, so here we'll be learning about ng bind. So what I'm gonna do is I'll remove this line, and here we already have our input box. And so what I'll do, instead of using curly braces, double curly braces, I'm gonna use another directive to print. So I'll just define a div first. Here I'm gonna initiate ng bind, and whatever ng model name I've given here, the same thing I'll pass it over here. So what it will do is, it will bind this event with this one. So whatever the name you have entered over here, it will take from here and it will print over here, right? So I'll just save it. Let's go and check if it works or not. Okay, yeah, it works. So So now I guess you understood that double curly braces and ng bind, both of them does the same thing. It's just, here you can use this thing, or you can use double curly braces, whatever you want to use, you can use. And one more thing, guys, you can this ng model, right? If you want to use it with div, suppose I remove input here and I write, div, and I'll just make it as content editable is equals to true. So this ng model, right, it doesn't work with div. Now if I save it and if I go and run it, yeah, so here you can see this, we got one, text box with a, you can type whatever you want over here, but see, it's not printing over here. So you can say that, so this generally doesn't work with, all the tags. So it mainly works with input tag, whatever we defined, earlier, and then it also work with, text area. So if I give text area and if I define it over here, so now also it should, it should work. I'll save it, refresh. So whatever we'll type here, see, it is typing over here, right? So you need to remember this, right? See, this ng model directive, it does not work with all the tags. So it works with, like, input and text area, but it doesn't work with div. So in this session, we learned, what ng bind does, and ng bind is equivalent to double curly braces. And ng model, this directive, it does not work with div. It works with input and text area, and it might work with some other tags also that you can Google. So see you in the next tutorial, guys. Thank you.